What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you my office slash filming setup and my client studio and my overall, like, you know, just creative zone. So this is going to be for someone who is in a budget. This is all affordable things. I bought it with my money. Nothing was sent to me, so this is like a very this is like a realistic setup that you can have if you don't have like a lot of money, or you're on a budget, or you're just like a regular person doing YouTube, you know, like me. So let me go ahead and show you guys. I usually sit in this chair or a different chair that I have in the back of this what is this backdrop, and this backdrop is from Amazon. Most of my things are from Amazon, okay? So very realistic and cheap. This cloth here is made for a backdrop purposes. As you can see, it goes on like that, so it is for backdrops or whatever. Sorry, I'm out of breath. But it's cloth, it's not like a poster texture. So, but that is from Amazon as well, I believe. If you just look up backdrops, you can find that. This is the chair that I sit in most of the time. Over here is my boyfriend's like office area. He sits there, he edits there. He actually barely uses that desk, but he usually, if he comes in here, he will edit and do whatever else he does on his computer over there. He is an online coach, so he does work over there sometimes. So here is the view from behind of where I film. This thing looks a little weird. This is a mirror. Hold on. This is a mirror just so that basically I can see myself from the other side. So here are my two box lights, or my box lights. Shit, I don't even know what they're called right now. But there are, and this is my ring light. All these things are from Amazon. So basically from the front view, from my view, it'll look like this. You can see the mirror all the way over there. I don't know if you saw that. And then you have all these lights in front of you. So yeah, I wish I could get like a better look. Let me zoom out. Okay, there we go. Wow, so much better. All right, so yeah, so basically it looks like this. Here's like a bigger, wider look for you guys. That's how it looks. So it's so simple, so easy, and it's very effective. I really love my my setup. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys I guess my tripod. This is what my tripod looks like. It's a lot of lighting. My tripod is that long thing there. Let me go ahead and turn this off so you guys can see. Okay, there we go. So that is my tripod. It is a, I don't know if you guys care about this, it's a Sunpack Ultra 6000 PG. Now this actually I did not buy. I got it from my boyfriend, and it's a pretty good tripod if you want it. It swivels, it's just perfect. Swivels, just whatever you want. It goes down, goes up, blah blah blah, tilts, whatever. So if you want to get those angles, then I suggest that one. I don't know how much it was. Like I said, I didn't buy it, but yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so now I'm going to switch over to how usually I would have my room if a client was here. Alright, so if a client was here, this is how I would have it. So my filming will be, you know, it will just kind of be dedicated to the client. That director chair is from Amazon. Okay, so so yeah, it's really cool because you have the backdrop behind. I love doing my clients' makeup in this particular setup because, like I said, the background's behind, and the lights are just, they're perfect on the client's face. Sometimes it's a lot, but most of the time it's fine. Here's the director's chair up close. Now this director's chair is very sturdy. There are better ones out there, but this one is pretty good for the price. It came with these little, it came with these little like pouches to hold, you know, random crap. Like I have a clip here, and there's nothing over there, but it's really nice. It holds my boyfriend. My boyfriend is 230 pounds, and he's 6'2", so it holds a good amount of weight in there and on there. If a client cannot fit in that seat, I would just pull that one over here or that one over here. Okay, so this is actually, if you look over here from the client's view, you will see the you know, where they would, you know, see themselves. As you can see, oh, let me turn this off because you can't see. Alright, as you can see, I'm over there in that mirror, and the client, if they were sitting here, they will be able to look at themselves over there. So it's like very studio vibes, Hollywood studio vibes. So I really, really, really love this because, oh, don't mind that McDonald's cup, because I think my clients really enjoy, when they walk in here, they really are amazed of how the studio looks and how a studio yeah, feels. And so let me give you guys like an overview of how this area looks. I do have my certificate there and some of my artwork up there. Some more things. That's my logo. Some more. It's a magazine. This is published right there. So there you go. That is what the client is seeing in this chair here. Alright, so it's really cool. So let's get closer, and I'm going to go over what is on these desks. So like I said, everything is affordable. Everything I bought with my money. Every single thing you see in this whole room. I'm so out of breath, sorry. So let's start with my setup. So this is basically where I kind of place my items and go back and forth to the client's face, to the table. So this is enough room for me to work with and work on. These are focus. These are some of my brushes. A lot of my brushes are dirty right now, so these are majority of them. Not majority, but maybe half. And there's face brushes in here, and you know, just a whole bunch of crap, a whole bunch of those brushes. And these are the more you know, detail brushes, and these are what is this? Pencils, colored pencils. No, liners and stuff like that. You guys know what those are. Let me first go over this mirror. After that, yeah. So let me go over this mirror. So this mirror here is a what is it called? Oh, this is a personalized mirror that I got, you know, done professionally. So I have them cut a size mirror, that this size mirror, because you know these aren't at the store. And what I did was buy these separately from Amazon, and just look up LED bulbs, and you'll find them eventually. But I don't feel like linking all these items because they're all on Amazon literally. So just, you know, search your way. But I really, really love these lights because I mean, obviously buying real lights is just way too expensive, and just time consuming, and just electricity, and it's just a lot for a big ass mirror like this, you know. So these bulbs I find are perfect. They illuminate the face and everything. So that's the deal on this mirror and those lights, and I think it's gorgeous. Okay, like gorgeous. All right. So what these brushes and color pencils are in are little containers like this. I got these from Amazon. All right. And they hold a really good bit amount of brushes. When these overload, when I don't have any room, when all my brushes are clean, which is rare, I usually keep them in like a clear container that looks like this. So if my brushes are overloading over there, I just keep them in a clear container somewhere else, and yeah, that works. Love, love, love. Alright, so next to that is our little container that I have to hold sponges. Clean sponges and clean like little puff pad, you know, like pads for like powder pads. Okay, and I have a little napkin underneath, so you know they stay a little bit cleaner. But I just have it sitting up top like that, and I love how it looks. It's very tangible, I guess the word is. So I really love these. This is actually a part of a drawer set that I just took apart, and like I said, just sat it on top of that. Next is, below that is some drawers, and I love these drawers so much. Let me focus. I love these drawers so much because they are very nicely sized. These were pretty cheap too. I love the price because a lot of these type of drawers are pretty expensive. So like I said, go on Amazon, type in like acrylic drawers. 3, because these are like in 3s. But anyway, I keep my concealers in here. I do use LA Girl. I think they're the most affordable and more best quality. Sometimes I'll use a random concealer like True Match or something like that. And yeah, I just keep all my concealers, majority of my concealers in there. Then if you come down, I have, this is where I keep the powders and the highlighters and the little bit of contours. So I have Laura Mercier, just random, NYX, ELF. I use all of these, by the way. And you don't need a lot, you know. If you are starting makeup artist, or you know, you don't have stuff sent to you and you have to buy everything, you know, you don't need a lot of things to make your client look bomb, because this right here, I can make my client look bomb. Anyway, so just powders, setting powders, blush, just, you know, that is in that drawer. If we come up here, so up, we have a lot of my lip products. So we have just this drawer. I just put some randoms, some lip glosses, random lipsticks. This is from Eye Society. You know, just some randoms. There's some chapstick back there. Just a lot of randoms, and a lot of times I'll put what is this, like a sample size in here as well, to, you know, categorize them. And then below is a lot of NYX's, Lime Crime, Anastasia, and more of these looking lipsticks. And majority of these are LA Girl, and there's some Lime Crime in there, so they're all in there, and it just keeps it organized. In here I have some mascaras. In here I have some liquid liners and bases for the eyes. In here, these are primers, just direct face items and products. Primer, whatever. This is eye primer. I also have some lip treatment in here, so this is basically skincare. So now on to this section here. So in these 2 big boxes, in this one I have foundations, powders, more concealers. So over here I have some powders. Over here, these are some concealers that I like to use sometimes. I love this powder here. Okay, I'm not going to go over every item, but yeah, these are some powders. Concealers, some extra concealers that I haven't opened, that I just keep there. These are corrector concealers, which is why they're not in there. Also, they won't fit. So I have liquid foundations as well as cream foundations. more liquid foundations. Okay, so this is my foundations and powders in there. So I really love, I really love that setup. Here are the glitters and pigments and just things that I like to use for my clients. Glitters and pigments and things like that. Got some glitters and rhinestones and just a lot of different brand things. Some color pop. This is like Graftobian dramatic powder. This is from, I forgot, but it's really nice. Some MAC in here, and basically this is just where I keep all my glitters and pigments, as you can see. So here's just an overview of everything that is next to that. So the next thing over are my palettes, majority of my palettes that I use on my clients. So, oh, by the way, these things, I think I got them from Walmart. I don't even know what section. I just like found these acrylic things and I just bought them for this right here. Alright, so to organize my palettes, I use these little black things. I have 3 of these in all. You can see them on the side here. And those are actually like office folder holders. And I thought they would be perfect for my palettes. They just look so good and so camouflaged into everything. So yeah, that's how I hold my palettes. And I'm not going to go over all my palettes, but I like to keep them kind of organized, in shape and just brand. And last but not least, this is my area. So in this section is like my area. These are my mirrors that I use personally and my brushes that I use personally. So my client's side and my side. Okay. So usually I will edit here. I like to, oh my god, my dogs are acting crazy. Usually I would like to edit here, or I do my makeup. When I'm not editing, I just take the laptop off and, do my makeup. I have my makeup in here that I use personally, so it's very messy in there, but there's my makeup. And I just do it on the side of the mirror. So it's really cool how I have the, the system, Okay. So yeah, I do some editing here. Sometimes I sit in that chair and do what I do. So here is another overview. Now I did want to go over what's in these drawers. I didn't do that. So majority of this is just like cleaning and lashes. So I have a lot of prepping in here. I have alcohol and setting spray and witch hazel sanitizer that I use. And in here in this container, I just have Q-tips and just little sponges and things like that I use. And here I have mascara wands and things like that. It's just, random things that don't need to actually be out. Makeup wipes. And in here is a lot of different lashes. It's just a lot of lashes in here. Bottom lashes, top lashes, whatever. And I get all of these from Amazon as well. They have so many different types that's so cheap that you can get, and they're so beautiful as well. So I like to stock up on these. And then in this drawer, I just have tape that I use on my clients, and just some random crap. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed my little tour of my studio, office, blah blah blah. If you have any questions on anything that I went over in the video or didn't go over, please let me know down below in the comments and I'll definitely respond to you. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you guys in a later video.